In the fragile Arctic dawn, survival begins on a drifting island of ice. A young cub explores, unaware of the silent hunters moving beneath the surface. The ice beneath them weakens, a fragile platform in a restless sea. Below the thinning ice, coordinated hunters patrol with deliberate precision. The mother senses disturbance, vibrations carried through water and ice. Dark fins pierce the surface, announcing the arrival of coordinated hunters. The pod forms a calculated ring, isolating the vulnerable island of ice. The hunters test their strategy, sending the first deliberate surge toward the ice. The mother answers with a warning, asserting her presence against the encroaching hunters. Another surge crashes forward, pushing the fragile platform closer to collapse. Beneath the surface, the pod refines its attack with disciplined coordination. Under relentless pressure, the flow fractures, reducing their refuge to shrinking ground. A sudden surge tilts the flow, turning solid ground into unstable peril. The cub slides toward open water, where coordinated predators wait below. Instinct overrides fear as the mother becomes a barrier between cub and sea. In perfect unison, the pod unleashes a surge powerful enough to overturn ice. The flow tips toward disaster, its fragile balance nearly lost to the sea. For a heartbeat, the cub hangs between ice and open ocean. With immense strength, she pulls her cub back from the waiting sea. Facing the sea, she rises, a solitary guardian against coordinated force. In the brief lull, she scans for a safer refuge adrift nearby. A fleeting calm offers a narrow window for decisive movement. Seizing the moment, she commits to a leap toward firmer ground. Denied their opportunity, the hunters withdraw into deeper Arctic waters. For now, survival prevails on a sea that offers no guarantees